TDUP Stock Analysis and Price Predictions. Is it a buy? Which is a short 1 minute video till the end. Find out. Look, I've done well over 40,000 videos. I've spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors, and it's not even over exaggeration. You can see how much videos I've done on this YouTube channel. 50% up is sick. With a performance like this, I'm looking to just have a piece of the pie and just double down even more. So opening up tomorrow or the next couple of days, who knows? The only thing that I care about is a little pull down, and then I'm just looking to double down on this, right? So how's this going to look like? Well, if it does pull down and shows me some sort of a shift, then only then I'm going to look to buy. Again, random buys are not going to be part of what I'm going to do, but yeah, ultimately, if there's no confirmation, not looking to buy. Then if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and that's all I kind of have to say from that point over here. Goodbye and enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.